Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. Strong body odor, when this signal is applied to the doctor. Do you know why people have a body odor? It's pretty simple. Body odor arises from the interaction between sweat and bacteria that live on the skin. In most cases, with the smell of the body, you can successfully cope with proper hygiene, but under certain circumstances, the body odor can become stronger or simply different. This rarely causes concern, but sometimes changes in body odor can be a sign of a health problem. Below we give several possible reasons why some people may have a stronger or unusual body odor. Stress. When you are under stress, your apocrine glands turn into overdrive, which can make your body smell stronger. You can try to reduce stress in order to get rid of this and other stressful problems and try to use an antiperspirant prescribed by a doctor if the usual ones are not effective enough. Alcoholism. If someone drinks so much that their liver does not cope with it, the excess can leave sweat on the body. Diabetes. People with diabetes can have fruity breaths. They can also have a body odor that can be more or less strong and can smell slightly like rotten apples. Overactive thyroid. Hyperthyroidism, overactive thyroid, can lead to increased sweating, which can lead to increased body odor. If you suspect this is so, share your problems with your doctor. Liver or kidney disease. Liver and kidneys are organs that help the body get rid of waste. When one of these organs is poorly functioning, toxins can accumulate in the body and cause an unpleasant odor. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.